There is a way to get voice chat in Roblox Mobile in 2025 with full guide. Open Roblox app, go to three dots menu, find and go to settings, select account info and add your phone number, hit add phone and type your number. A verification code will be sent to your phone. After you verify your phone, select account info and hit privacy and content restrictions. Inside privacy, press on communication and voice chat and turn the toggle on. If voice chat still doesn't work, go back to account info, find and press on verify your age, hit start session, continue to begin verify. Select country lets you choose the country you live in from a list. This helps set up your account correctly for language, time zone, and regional features. Upload a photo ID means you need to take a clear picture of an official ID like a passport or driver's license. This helps verify your identity for security and age confirmation. Select State ID. Now you need to take clear photos of both the front and back of your state ID. Make sure all details are easy to read and nothing is blurry. Remember, voice chat is only available for users who are 13 years or older. If you face any problems, make sure to let us know in the comments. We're here to help.